first file tests your headphone's bass extension. The following frequencies ranges from 200 Hz to 10 Hz. Good headphones will go as low as 20 Hz, the lowest limit of our hearing. Let's see how far can you go. The second file tests your headphone's treble extension. Good headphones will reproduce frequencies up to 20,000 Hz, the upper limit of human hearing range. Poorly built headphones may start to rattle whenever loud or deep bass content is played. The next file scans bass frequencies and will literally shake your drivers when turning the level up. Adjust the volume in your headphones so that the test is made at a high level. The sweeping tone should remain pure and clear at all frequencies, without any buzz. Better headphones have tighter tolerances in the variation of their driver's frequency responses. To reproduce a faithful stereo image, the left and the right drivers must respond equally to every frequency in the audible spectrum. The next sweeping tone should keep a perfect central position across all frequencies, playing right in the middle of your head, without any deviation. Binaural recordings are recordings made by placing microphones directly in one's ear. By playing back the recording through headphones, one ensures that each of the listener's ears get the exact same signals as originally captured.